Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about how to drawing shapes. So in some situation we want to draw some shape in our PowerPoint presentation slide. So we can use the drawing functionality provided by PowerPoint 2007. So for example, you want to draw stars, rectangles, ovals, round circles, then you can use these drawing options provided in home ribbon. So let's explore the drawing shapes. So first go to the drawing option and click on to the drop down button of drawing shape, and you will find huge variety of various shapes. So you can see lines, rectangles, basic shapes, black arrows, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart shapes, stars and banners, callouts, and action buttons. So you can use any one of these shapes as per your necessity or requirement. So let's use the one of the shape which is banner. So I'm selecting this up ribbon or down ribbon, and now drag it over the slide and set height and width of your shape. I have drawn my shape. Now you can also add text in your shape by right clicking and edit text. So I am writing, this is my banner, and I will set its text property by going to home and setting size and setting to bold. So my banner is created. Now I can format my banner using various effects. For example, I can select my banner style, banner color by using this format option and shape styles. So select shape styles and you can select various colors which you want. I want this subtle effect dark one, so I'm selecting that. Now if you want to set shape effect, then you can use these shape effects. So select any one of these shape. You will find the live preview of shape. So I'm setting reflection. So reflection is created below the shape. You can also set shape outline to certain color. So I'm setting this white blue. You can also fill the shape using various options like texture, gradient, and any other. I am setting to gradient. Now if you want to set word art effects for your text, then you can go to the word art styles and first select your text, and then you can select word text effects. So if you want to glow your text, if you want to add a 3D rotation, then you can add by using 3D rotation. I am selecting this. So my text is rotated, but it is not looking good, so I am removing it. So this way you can set your formatting for your text and your drawing also. So this is about drawings shapes in PowerPoint 2007. Thank you.